Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this wig is from Wigsbuy.com. I will have all of the information down below in the description box. So I just wanted to share with you what I got in my package. Of course, the box was nice and sturdy. You get your wig that is in a plastic bag. They also sent 2 wig caps. Well, those are like the netted ones. And they did send a comb, and of course you get your little user manual, and there was a bunch of little combs inside of the box, these little clips that you can put in your hair just for extra security. So now let's get into this wig. Of course, this is the first time I am showing it, so I might as well label these wigs, well, these wig reviews as first impressions. And then you guys, if you want to know anything about the wig later on, you know, how I take care of it, how it's keeping up, just follow me on social media, or you can just send me a message and I'll definitely let you know how I feel about the wig. So this is a lace front wig. Now I'll put the thumbs down because I could have sworn that the roots would be dark, but they're not. It's all one color. So again, this is a lace front. It does not have any combs, but it does have adjustable straps. And the tag right there just tells you about the wig, and I just went ahead and cut that off. So yeah, you guys see my face, right? This wig, when I first put it on, I was like, yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of getting these carrot top vibes, but this is the color that I requested, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to work this wig to the best of my ability. I did not like the curls that came with the wig. Another thing is this wig does shed quite a bit in my brush. It doesn't shed like on my clothes or anything like that, but when I go to brush it out, it shed. Now the shedding did stop. This is at first, when I first started brushing it out, it was shedding. I was like, okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I must say it did stop after I straightened it out, and I was cool after that. So this is me brushing it out. Yeah, sorry guys, it was a little out of focus, but this is just me brushing the wig out for the first time. First impressions, the wig is really soft and it's rather on the thin side. The hair itself is soft. It just feels like colored hair. You know what I mean? Like, you know, when you first color hair, if you don't really condition it well, it's going to have that, you know, processed feeling. So that was my first impressions on this wig, but you guys are going to see how I work this wig later on in the video. So like I said, I did not like the curls that came with the wig. It's just too curly for me. So I went ahead and got my flat iron, as you guys can see. And I'm just taking a lot of those curls out. I didn't do the best job. If I would have took it off and put it on my wig head and just, you know, was able to just run the flat iron all the way through, I would have got out a lot of those waves. But yeah, so you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you like the wig better straight or curly. Like I said, as you can see, I didn't do the back so well, but yeah, once I took it off the wig head and I went ahead and straightened out the back, because I could see, yeah, I kind of like the wig now. So here I'm just using my Irresistible Me curling wand. You guys know the drill. I do this just to flatten out the parting space so you guys can see that it can look a little more natural. I don't know. I'm just talking. Anyway, here I'm cutting off the baby hairs, and I did not really like the color of the wig so much as far as the roots go. So I just took some black eyeshadow, as you guys can see, with a little makeup brush just to darken the roots a little more. And yeah, let me know what you guys think.
Let's go. The way I'm feeling, hey, it's critical. And I just wanna get physical. The way I'm feeling, it's critical. And I just wanna get physical.
So after I was done with all of that, you guys saw that I cut off the baby hairs, and I even created some more baby hairs on the other side of the wig. But yeah, definitely had to darken up the roots a little more. Just, I don't know, just to give it a little more oomph, you know, whatever that means. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. After I did all of this, which didn't take long at all, it took about maybe 15 minutes to do all of this. Of course, I had to add my foundation just to make the parting space look a little more realistic, you know, like it's coming out of my scalp, girl. But yeah, it didn't take long, like I said, and I really like the results. So that's pretty much it. Again, the shedding did stop after I brushed it out and I flat ironed it. I no longer, excuse me guys, I no longer have that issue with shedding, and I did go ahead just to add a little bit of oils. It's a straightening oil. I should have used it before I flat ironed it, but it's okay nonetheless. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this wig. Let me know what you guys think. What would you have done different? I want to hear what you have to say. And yeah, on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Let's go. So turn it up.